Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this one I'm going to show you how you can actually fix the whitish display issue in the iQOO 7 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, I'm getting so many comments regarding this iQOO 7 device regarding the display issue. The display get whitish in my case and it's completely a software problem. Yes, it's absolutely a software problem, but few users they want to know how to fix it, and that's what this video is about. I'll like to show you exactly the clear demonstration friends. So right now my display looks completely good, right? As you can see, there is no issues, but all this problem will start if you try to watch any video in the HDR content. As soon as you start to watch in HDR, the problem will definitely happen. Let me open the YouTube application and start to watch HDR video. Right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to select any HDR video and let me play the HDR video, and right now the video is playing exactly. I'll need to play this video for a couple of minutes, just only 1 minute of time. I'll just keep it running. Right now, as you can see friends, I did play this HDR video completely for about close to 1 minute of time. So now after playing the HDR video, as soon as I go back to the home screen, right now you can see the display become whitish kind of color. As you can see exactly, this is a live demonstration. Clearly, this is what is happening friends in the iQOO 7 device. So it doesn't matter what application you open, everything will be whitish color. Like display will be faded off, everything. And there are a couple of solutions which are available for this. A quick fix would be try to go to the display option and try to go to the screen colors and try to change from bright to standard. As you can see, in this way you can actually fix this kind of issue. And let me do another testing. Let me to turn on the dark mode and turn off. Let's see whether this will work or not. So turning off dark mode and enabling dark mode, it's not working. So this is the only fix which is there. Go to the screen colors and try to go to the standard and come back to the bright. That's it. The problem will get solved. Right now, as you can see, there is no white color, nothing at all in complete UI, which got completely fixed. As you can see friends, this is the only solution which is available, and if you want you can do the restart as well. And all this problem started to happen with the February security patch update, and after that it's still continuing in the March security patch update also. So maybe with the April security patch, they might be able to fix it, or they might be able to give us some more problems in the iQOO 7 device, but we are not sure exactly. Fingers crossed. So meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye. This is how you can actually fix the whitish kind of color issue in your iQOO 7 device. Until instead of more updates, and signing off, bye.